How to put promo codes in Subway app. Let's get started. Launch your Subway app. Here we go. Now click on the option of Sign In. Now go ahead and type in your Subway account's credentials, email address and password, and then click on Sign In. Just for that, you will be logged into your account. Once you log in, you will land to the menu page. Now you can browse through the menu and select the items that you want to order. Add all the items that you want to order to the cart and proceed to checkout. Once you land to the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code over there. Type in the promo code and confirm your order. If the promo code is valid, you will get the discount on your order. So make sure to check the expiration date of the promo code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you will get the discount. In order to use the promo code, you just have to head over to the checkout page, and in the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, you need to type in the code and confirm your order. Well, that's all for this video. This was really simple and quick process. I hope now you guys are clear about how to put promo codes in Subway app. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.